Okay guys, so today we're gonna go over this log. So we have A, then B, then D, and then A, C, and D. Okay, so this is gonna be an exclusive choice question. We're gonna show this cut. So first of all, we do the sequence cut. So we cut A. Okay, so there's just gonna be a sequence where we have A and then something with B, C, and D, which we don't know what it is. So we split A. Now we don't have A anymore, and we start and then we do either B or C, and then we go to D. Okay, but not both of them. There is no connection between them. Okay, so this is important. There is no connection here. Okay, so now we can create another sequence cut, and then we know we go from A, and there is something with B and C and D. And then we created the exclusive choice cut. Why we can do it? Because it's answer the criteria of the exclusive choice cut. The criteria is there is no arrow between B to C or C to B. Okay, so it's really important. So there is no arrow, and that's it. So now we can create this cut, and we have a sequence where we choose A, and then we choose either B or C, but not both, and then D. Okay, so this is the question. Hope you like it. Please like and subscribe, and until next time, I'm out.